So is the outdoor unit behind the house?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I just put the 620/25
Awesome.
in.
Oh, good.
Thing in, so you don't have to change the filter.
Good. Thank you.
You know, used to, I mean, typically it blows off smoke or steam or something a couple of times a day. And, you know, I'm just not seeing that.
Okay. It's not a heat pump, but you're saying it sometimes.
Yeah, I don't know much about this stuff.
Nope, that's fine. It is on. Okay. Like I said, a mouse could have got in here and chewed up a wire. That was my last service call.
Wow.
So, no mice. We don't even have a call. Contactor is not even being pulled in. That's loose. All right. Let's see here. All right. Okay, so. So we do have power. Gotta give it the finger. And that's cold. Suction line's cold, that's good. So you're not flat. Yep. And you had plenty of cooling then. I thought my light was on. Let's see. Do we have a safety switch that's wired up? No, it's not. So it's not that. All right. The compressor LED is lit up. So it is definitely requesting cooling from thermostats to the zone board, telling the furnace to come on, and it's saying that it's telling the outdoor unit to come on. So I just tested voltage on Y1 in common at the zone board, and I followed the wire. I had voltage outputting to engage the contactor, and I followed the wire is fine. And then this is an old-fashioned test that we're going to do to bypass safety switches in front of me. And don't do that. Oh, my sticking.